All right, so the video we're going to be watching today is an excerpt from two properties that I looked at when I was out shopping for my land. Um, Basically, what I did was any one of the trips that I went out to, I had my GoPro, I had a notepad with me. I walked the properties, interior. I walked the borders of the properties. Um, I covered really every section to get a good idea of what was around it, what was on the property, what the topography was, where the neighbors were, was there water, was there game sign, and I kept separate files for each of the properties so that when the time came and I was looking to narrow down or eliminate properties, I was able to go through these notes and videos, see which ones checked all my boxes, see which ones checked only one or two, and eliminate those. So when you are in the process, again, video and written notes are going to be huge to help you establish what properties are going to work for you and what properties are not. Uh, we're going to talk much more about this when we go over that particular chapter in the book, A Cabin in 40 Acres. So take a look, Grandpa's Cabin Life, both here on YouTube and on Instagram. The book is now available in both e-version and softcover anywhere books are sold. Amazon, Barnes & Noble might be the easiest, but really you can get it. Walk in your local bookstore, ask them for a copy. They will order it for you, have it for you in about a day. Or, like I said, you could just do it on Amazon or Barnes & Noble. So look forward to sharing more videos with you as we get into the nicer weather. And we're doing some more work around the property and the cabin. So I hope you have a great day and enjoy. Thanks for watching.
All right, so this camper is right off the road. Looks like it's probably about 10 years old or so. Decent interior, needs a little carpet cleaning, and that's about it. It's got septic and water. So access to it is everything off of town maintained roads. That appears to be a hunting camp, which is literally a stone's throw. And then you turn around on the other side, that looks to be a year-round residential. So 37 acres for $69,900. It's a narrow property. I think where you see the camp and the other house are the ends of the property line. So at least up here you're pretty close. So I'm going to take a little walk back into this and see what we got. Snow is a lot deeper, even with my snowshoes going down quite a bit. So again, this is the Bell Road property. That's the one road. There's the culvert that channels the stream that I guess feeds the pond. This is the other side. This is Bell Road. The last video was Ann Road, which is right over there through those trees. So we're going to make a stroll down to where the pond is, really see where it is. This is about the only, looks like, semi-flat portion of the property. There does appear to be a little spot to tuck in to park up where the truck is. So this snow is a little less snowshoeable, but we'll go a little bit further.